bulge is what takes the impact first. Yeah, so the bulge is what takes the impact. So we have one of the kids wearing, when you see the helmet on the side, you will see that the back, come on. So the back is exposed, right? But that is because the neck to head ratio for kids is much lesser than adults. And so if the helmet was full, it would have a lot more movement around the neck. So this is the best design that you can do, such that the entire pressure of the helmet in case of impact is in a very snug way and it's spread across the entire head. It's not just loose over here. Because of that, this is the way this helmet is designed. The man sitting in front wearing a helmet, the woman pillion rider not wearing a helmet, child not wearing a helmet, and we used to find that in the market there were very few helmets which were genuinely made for women, had understood women's problems. One of the biggest problems used to be to wear a earring and it would hurt if you wear a helmet. So we designed Twara. Twara is a brand for women, and Twara helmets are specially engineered to women's head size, and also to take care of things like earrings, to take care of things like their hair getting caught in the helmet. They are also designed so that they are very stylish and they are very fun to wear. We've also launched the children's helmets called Hype. The Hype children's helmets again are made, engineered for head sizes for kids, to understand that children's necks are much thinner than adult necks. So they have been made so that the neck is exposed at the back but is still covered because of the shape of the helmet. So we hope that the women and children pillion riders start wearing the Twara helmets and the Hype helmets. The worrying thing for us was that pillion riders are 2.3 times more likely to die in accidents than the rider. So it is very, very important for pillion riders to wear helmets, and that is our hope with the launch of these two brands.
Tell us something about the safety features and R&D.
So the Twara helmet, for example, it has the stated the EPS inside is a 45 density, the best quality men's helmet who are riding motorcycles. That quality we have used for women's helmets. The shell is made from ABS and polycarbonate. It's a very lightweight but very, very strong shell. So the helmets are light and yet very, very strong. So the safety standard for the helmet is a DOT standard. This is 50% higher than ISI in terms of impact bearing capacity. So the helmets are really, really strong and life-saving. Sorry?
Are there any inaugural offers and where to buy the helmets as of now?
Yes, so we sell online on Twara.com, on Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart and Tata Click, also Nykaa. But we also have 2 stores in Bangalore. We have one in Mantri, Malleshwaram, and we are also in Nexus, Koramangala. And there are 4 or 5 crosswords across the country, one in Chennai, one in Hyderabad and 3 in Bangalore.